Hi, good morning, team. Now I am going to performing for the back-to-back order process flow. All right, let's create a back-to-back order. Once the configurations are completed, let's create one back-to-back order. Right, what is the first step? Create back-to-back order. So where we need to create this? From the order management page. Let's go to the order management. So click on the order management. Right. So click on here, create order. Okay. So is the customer DMart customer? Check whether the price related things are same or not. Yeah. Okay. So what is the item? DMart back to back order. Okay. So click on add. I'm not selecting anything. Only for the payment related field I am giving here. Okay. And let's submit this. So once it is submitted, system is verifying for the conditions. So based on that conditions, it is a processing. The sales order is created successfully. Okay. The sales order number is this. Create order. Right. So after this, just refresh. So I think somebody is enabling for the pending approvals, right? Approvals related. So that is the reason system is validating for the approvals flow. Okay. So you can see the status not started. Once it is approved, then you are getting for switch fulfillment view. So before that, so we cannot get that. Now it is in processing. So you can see switch to fulfillment view. Then the system is validating the conditions. So whatever the conditions which we are providing by the back-to-back order, so that conditions system is validating. Right. So let's click on status is not started. Okay, now it is scheduled. Okay. So as for the back-to-back configurations, right, transfer order is supply order number. Based on that back order, system is getting the material from the source organization and right, receive that material. And after receiving, the material will be shipping to the customer location. Right, pause is also completed. So after that, so awaiting for shipping status is coming into the picture. Now awaiting shipping, right? So awaiting shipping, where we can see that transfer order is created or not. So from the fulfillment view level, you can see here, there is a supply order number is generated. This is not a supply order number. This is a supply orchestration, supply chain orchestration back order number, right? Based on this, transfer order will be created. Okay, just refresh it. Okay, now you can see supply order number is generated based on the supply order number. So we can track what is the transfer order status. So the transfer order can be created from here. Once awaiting transfer order process is going on. If configurations are working fine, then the transfer order is created. So before going to this process flow, must be validating for the transfer order configurations. Right. Now you can see source organization, destination organization. So based on this, right, transfer order is created. Okay, system is validating and finding the details for the source organization and destination organization. Right, still transfer order is not created. Once the transfer order is created, okay, let's copy the transfer order. copy the transfer order from fulfillment lines level, right? Now transfer order is created. This is the transfer order. What is the status of transfer order right now? If you open this, you can track this. Just a requested quantity for one. The transfer order status is open. Okay. Now copy the transfer order number. This is the transfer order number. Now what is the next? Let's transfer the material from the source organization to destination organization. What is the source organization? DMART Bangalore. Destination organization, DMART Hyderabad. Now, which organization responsibility to ship the material to Hyderabad? Bangalore organization. Let's go to the Bangalore organization. Supply chain execution, inventory management. So from here, let's pick the material and ship the material to Hyderabad. So need to log in with DMART Bangalore, right? Yeah. Click on here. Now create a picture. So click on here, pics, and create picture. Okay. So now the Bangalore organization is picking the material, right? Picking the material for the purpose of transfer order. Okay, name on Bangalore. So what purpose? Transfer order purpose. What is the transfer order? This is the transfer order. Okay. Now show more. Need to select anything. Options. Confirm picks and create shipment. That means automatically shipment is pick slip confirmation is automatically happening if this checkbox is enabled. Okay, so click on release now. So everything is good. Shipment status is also created successfully. System is picking the lines, right? Now you can see confirmed today. Two things are confirmed here today, right? So create pick wave, right? So for this, create pick wave task needs to be performed. So what is the pick wave number? So that we can see from here. Okay, so click on confirm today. So shipment lines also created. Shipment lines also created. Why? Because so we are giving confirm pick slip also, right? At the time of performing the create pick wave. Or else directly you can query with from here else, right? Manage shipments. Okay. So now you can see what is the transfer order number, right? 50. So this is the transfer order number. This is the pick slip number. Okay. Now shipment number is there. You can see this is the pick wave number. All right. This is the pick wave number. And this will be the pick slip number. And now you just copy the shipment number. So click on here and let's go. This is the shipment number. Now confirm the shipment. Confirm the shipment. Why? Because already pick slip also confirmed, right? Now let's go. So click on here. So click on this shipments. Go to the manage shipments. Right, manage shipment and query the shipment number. This is the shipment number. Okay, now the shipment status is open. Right. Shipment status is open. Click on confirm, ship confirm. Now shipment also confirm. Now you see what is the status of. Now it is closed status. Right. Now it is in closed status. Save and close. Save and close. So how we can confirm the shipment? Manage shipments. What is the task name? Manage shipments. Okay. Now, what is the next? What is the next? Right. So as for the transfer order, Bangalore organization is successfully shipped the material to Hyderabad organization. Now Hyderabad organization is received the material and shipping the material to customer location. That is the back-to-back order. Right. Now click on here and receive the material first. Click on receive expected shipment. I'll get the navigation. So click on this, receive expected shipment. Okay. So click on this, receive expected shipment. So we can query with the transfer order or else we can query with the item also. Okay. Now search. Okay. First we receive the material. Okay. How much quantity? One quantity. So we received this material to sub-inventory, stores, and who is received by. And let's enter any employee of organization. SCM. Right. Create receipt. Create receipt. Submit. So now Hyderabad organization is successfully received the material from the Bangalore organization as for the back order. As for the back order. Right. 13 is the receiving number. So what is the next process? Once the material is received, once the material is received, receive the material. Once the material is received in the organization, right? So what purpose this Hyderabad is received the material? For sales order purpose, right? Now Hyderabad org is picking the material and again, so create pick wave, right? So create pick wave. Okay. Let's click on that. Create pick wave. Right. Which organization is shipping the material to customer? Hyderabad. Okay. DMAT. Select release rule. Right. What purpose? Hyderabad is picking the material for sales order purpose. What is the sales order? If you want to query that sales order, you can get the sales order number here. Right. So query the sales order. Okay. Who is the customer? The options. Demand. Options. So click on auto confirmation pick slip. Right. Okay. So click on release now. Click on release now. Same. Right. So system is successfully created a shipment line and the shipment line is unstaged and picking process is completed. And this is the pick slip number. Right. So successfully this process is completed. What is the next one? Confirm shipment. Confirm shipment. Why confirm shipment? Automatically pick slip is confirmed, right? So if you click on this, you'll get the details. Right. What purpose the system is picking? This is the sales order. Right. 29. Right. 29. So this is the pick slip number. Okay. Pick slip number. So click on this. Now you can see what is the shipment number. So this is the shipment number. Same. Copy that shipment number. Okay, what is the PQA number? This is the PQA number. Now, let's cancel this. Okay, directly go to manage shipments. Click on here, manage shipments. Let's go to the manage shipments and confirm the shipment. What is the shipment number? This one, right? Search. Now it is in open status. What purpose? The material is shipping. Customer purpose. What is the order number? So that will be there here. This is the order number, right? Now click on ship confirm. So now you can query with this status, right? Status is closed. Now the shipment is successfully completed, right, from the Hyderabad organization. Hyderabad organization is received the material from the Bangalore. Once material is received in their store's location, so for the sales order purpose, the Hyderabad organization is picking the material and shipping the material to customer location. This is what we call it as a back-to-back order, right? The mechanism which is coming into the back end for fulfilling the sales order process, that we call it as a back-to-back order process. Now you can query the status of sales order. It's a shipped. Now you can see it is a shipped. The next level is awaiting for billing. Awaiting for billing. Right. Let's go to the, if you want to check supply order number, what happened? You can see here. So complete inventory availability. If you want to check the transfer order, right. So what happened? Complete status, requested quantity, shipped quantity, received quantity, and delivered. That's the transfer order related. Now it is fulfilled. Okay. So click on done. So where is that sales order line? If you go to, right, fulfillment view, orchestration number. Now you can see, right, orchestration plan level. Okay, it is shipped. Invoice related. So we are not processing. This is all about new setups that will be taken care by the AR department. Okay, so complete sales order with back to back. Right. So this is what back to back order process. Thank you.